Hi friends, in the last video we had seen that how to set up zookeepers and Kafka server. In this video I will show you how to set up Kafbat UI. By using Kafbat UI you will be able to see topics and also will be able to produce messages and also you will see all the cluster information and consumers information and no need to knowledge of CMD commands for creating the Kafka topics and consumers information for seeing by using CMD. So in this video for setting up the Kafka UI we need to download the jars first. So I'm going to downloading jars. Here I'm searching Kafka UI download. You will see here there is a link for Kafka UI. So I'm going, here is a link. Okay, just wait. Property and all information. Code. Okay, I'm going below. In here, roadmap, Kafka UI. Getting started in here. Persistent, miscellaneous, quick, Helm chart. Just 1 minute. Helm chart configuration. Okay, I'm going to back. Here, I'm going to here. Here as well, you will be not able to see. So, I'm going to search Kafka UI download. You will be able to see one URL GitHub repo. In the GitHub repo, this is the URL. I will add this URL on the comment section. Don't worry. Scroll down. Now you need to download this Kafka UI jar. I'm going to download by clicking this. So wait some minutes. Once it's downloaded, yeah, now it's downloaded. And I'm copying this Kafka UI in the C folders and also creating a folders Kafka. Kafka. Now here I'm pasting this jar. After that I am adding a YAML file. I'm going to this here you will see code information. I'm going to above. Yeah, I'm clicking here. Project announcement here. Here you will see a configurations file there. Just 1 minute. Latest CIR. Yeah, Kafka repo. In here there is a configuration URL there. So I'm clicking in the configuration file explanation. Here is a basic YAML file is available. So I'm copying this YAML file and pasting here. Now adding cluster name as a local. Here I am removing all the information because I don't want to use username and password matrix and so on. So I am removing right now. Here adding our bootstrap server information. I am adding 9092. Here I am also adding logging information, logging, comma, label. In the label section, I am adding root. In the root section, I am adding as a info. I am also providing the Kafbat server port. So adding server port dot port. Here I am adding 8090 as a port number. Saving this in the Kafbat folder as a application local name. Where is our folder? Yeah, Kafbat. In this folder, I am adding application the column hyphen local.yml. Yeah, now it's okay. So for for running Kafbat UI, we must run zookeepers and Kafka server because our Kafbat UI will connect Kafka server, which is added in the YAML file you will see here. Localhost 9092. That is the Kafka server URL. So run I'm going to run zookeepers first. So first I'm removing the logs here, old logs. This is the old logs of Kafka servers and zookeeper. I'm removing first. I'm going to Kafka folders which which is set up in the previous video. You can see our previous video. I'm going to open CMD. In the CMD I'm going to run zookeepers. These command also added these command I already explained in the previous video. You can see our previous video. Now waiting sometimes because it will take sometimes for running zookeepers. Once zookeeper up, then we will need to run Kafka server. Yeah, now our zookeeper is up. Our zookeeper port is 2181. Now I am going to run Kafka server. For running Kafka server, we need to follow same step. Bin fold Windows. Here Kafka server. Now I'm going to config server property. It will take some time to up Kafka server. So waiting that time. Once once it will up, then we need to run Kafbat UI. Yeah, there is some issue. So I'm going to stop Zoo. I'm going to try and once again. I hope it will work. Yeah, now Kafka server is running. I am going to run Kafbat UI. For running Kafbat UI, we are going to Kafbat folder. In the Kafbat folder, open the CMD. We must set the Java version as 11 or onwards because Kafbat UI will run Java 11 onwards. So I'm checking the Java version in here. My Java version is 17, so no need to set Java version. Here you will see there is one command is available, this one. So I'm copying this command. Here I'm pasting and changing based on our available path. So here I'm going to add C. In the C folder, Kafbat folder. In the Kafbat folder, our application is there. So here we need to add our jar name. So I'm going to Kafbat folder, copying the jar name, pasting the jar name in here. Now I'm going to run this. I'm also commenting here command for running Kafbat UI. Copying this command. Just a minute. Here I have missed something. Removing the arrow key. Now running this command. Once it will started, this will connect to Kafka server. Yeah, our Kafbat UI is up, and Kafbat port is 8090, which is mentioned here. So I'm copying this port and going to browser. Here browser, I am typing our local host and port number. Sorry, no need to add test in the URL. Now Kafbat UI is up. Here you will see brokers. This is the brokers information. I mean cluster information here. You will see this Kafka running in my local system. So it is giving host name as a Vivek and port name as a 9092. Here topic section you will see all the topics information, and in the consumer section you will see all the consumers information. So I'm going to create a topic in here. So adding topic as a text and partition as a 3, and min replica sync is 1, and replica factor adding as a 1 right now, and clicking the create topic. Once topic create, yeah, you will see the topic name here, this, and partition I have added 3, so you will see partition as a 3. Here replication factor you will also see 1. Here you will see the number of message which is available in the topic. So right now no message is available, so you will see 0 messages. In this video you you will be you will see the Kafbat UI setup. In the upcoming video you will see how to produce messages through the Kafbat UI. Thank you friends. If you want to support me, you can subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.